Alright, so we got this Bulova. We're going to be swiping out the battery in it and checking where the crown to remove it. So basically you take out one of the pins, and with that you use one of these and then something like this to pop open the lid, and then we remove this. Then grab right there. So you press right here. Try and do this with one hand, so press it and you pull on the pin. That removes the stem to fix the crown. Then you can replace that. If you wanted to, you can take this whole thing out. Okay, I'll take it out. What you want to do is swipe out that battery. Got the other battery thrown out. Now I'm gonna put this back in here. I'll put this back in here. And make sure that it's clicking before we close it. And then put this back in here. You have to compress it. Some of these you can just wind, but this one you have to compress. Then put these not that one. Yeah, so once you compress it with, it's another tool that you use, but then you close it and the battery's back to running.